Hi there, welcome. This is your special time to relax, turn inward, and let your mind and body find some peace. Find a comfy spot where you can sit or lie down. Let's take this lovely journey into deep relaxation and being present together. Now gently close your eyes. Let's focus on your breath together. Take a nice, deep breath in through your nose and let it out softly through your mouth. Feel your chest rise and fall. Let your breath be slow, easy, and natural. With every inhale, imagine you're filling up with positive energy, and with each exhale, let go of anything that doesn't serve you. There is nowhere else to be, nothing else to do. Just enjoy this moment and your breath. Now, let's check in with your body. Start at the top of your head. Feel the muscles in your scalp and forehead. Let any tension simply melt away. Move down to your face and jaw. Allow it to relax and feel light. Bring your focus to your neck and shoulders. Let them drop and feel heavy. Slowly scan down your arms to your fingertips. Feeling comfort and calm flow through you. Now focus on your chest and belly. Feel your body expand with each your breath in, and gently release with each breath out. Continue down to your hips, thighs, and knees. Feel supported and completely at ease. Now your lower legs, ankles, and feet. Let every part of you feel cozy, grounded, and relaxed. In this moment, let your mind be still. If thoughts come up, that's totally okay. Just notice them and let them float away like clouds in the sky. Return to your breath. Return to your stillness. Feel the rhythm of life flowing through you. Feel the calm growing inside. With every breath, you're becoming more centered. More grounded, more peaceful. You are here. You are safe. You are more than enough. Now, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a big, refreshing breath. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace with you as you step into your day or evening. Thank you for taking this moment for yourself. You truly deserve calm and clarity.